Welcome to Konkomba Study Room. Anise na you attack kone Likpakpaln abem adipone puna. Yesterday we learned the naming of people and members of a family. Funat for bay malpune and ayim. Today we are learning the names of people in the singular form or titles in a singular form or a plural form. Then tebateba malpone be menv be ntwin be tuwan Nyimbil Liwanbaal ne kiwanpaak bagaye ne puna. To tipi do chenambe. Let's begin from here. Liyimbil, ŋiyimbil, Nyimbil. Names. Ututuln, Bitutum, Ututuln. Workers. Usikubo, Nsikuubim. People, students. Ukpaal, Bikpaab. Farmers. Umɔmɔmɔr, Bimɔmɔɔb, Bimɔmɔɔb. Teachers. Uwɔnkor, Biwɔnkɔɔb, Biwɔnkɔɔb. Traders. Ukpakpaar, Bikpakpaab, carpenters. Uŋaŋaar, Biŋaŋaarb. Drivers. Utumbee, Bitumbeeb. Apprentices. Uninkpel, Bininkpiib. Leaders. Natiib, mothers. Udimar, Bitumbeeb. Builders. This is not all. There are more of examples that can be given, but these are just few. Pambe katibake maye kekpe ba na ina momo ngatige maye ngem ngatiyenba. Thank you for listening and thank you for your time. Aneltwa na plim aneltwa na aywen. God bless you and God be with you and see you throughout your activities. Umwarimbiya wo klibache na atrempone na awomomopone. Amen.